Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Dollar Tree haul with you guys. I'm going to break this Dollar Tree down into two videos. One is going to be a makeup video because I found a lot of new Ellie color stuff, so stay tuned for that video. And this one is going to be the rest of the baby shower gifts and all the awesome stuff I found for Connor for Easter, since Easter is less than 2 weeks away now. By the time I get to upload this video, Easter will probably be a week away, to be honest. But I want to share this stuff anyways. Let's start with the Easter stuff first, because I'm filming this while Connor's still asleep so he doesn't catch us. So I got, from the brand Dudley's, I got these coloring cups. Now at church they do plastic eggs because they were finding rotten eggs everywhere when they mow. And most of the children at church are smaller and don't find all the eggs, but we're gonna do real eggs at home. So I got these coloring cups, and they have the cups and the tabs with them. Also from the Dudley's brand, I got these shaken egg decorating kits, so you make like tie-dye eggs. I thought it was really neat. To go in the basket, I got this Bubble Fun play set, and it just has different bubble wands and like a bubble pipe there. I thought that was kind of neat. He likes bubbles and stuff. He likes chalk, so I thought these were neat too. Egg shaped chalk. You get 6 of them for $1. So that's not bad. I think he'll like those. And I might pick up 1 or 2 more things to add, like toy wise, but honestly I think the bubbles and the chalk are probably enough, because I got a few candy items. I got some of these to throw in there for him, these sixlets. There's 16 packs in here. They're all pretty colorful pastel colors. They're just chocolate candies like it suggests. It's kind of like got a coating like an M&M. I got these for John and I, the Russell Stover coconut mini eggs. I thought these would be really good. Also got him a hollow bunny. Some of this Mickey Mouse gummies and sticker sheet shaped like an egg. Got an M&M egg, a Skittles egg, and some jelly bean cotton candy. Now I also got him this Easter basket for this year. We do have a personalized basket, but it's really small, and it served its purpose for when he was like 1 and 2 and didn't really care. But now that he cares to hunt the eggs, I wanted him to have a bigger bucket, so he has this one. I thought it was really cute. It's one of the bigger ones that they had. Unfortunately, my 2 or 3 trips to Dollar Tree, since I started seeing the people haul the fabric eared bunny baskets, I've yet to be able to find one. So yeah, this one will do. Plus they looked a little small, but I'm still kind of disappointed because they were so terribly cute. But this is all for Easter. I think pretty good at the Dollar Tree. Like, I spent like $5 on candy for him. Got a couple things, the basket, you know. What's not to be happy about? He's only 4. Now for the rest of the baby shower stuff. Her baby shower's in 5 days. Yeah. You may be watching this after. I may insert some pictures. But from the brand Baby King, got a set of 3 baby food storage containers. They're so cute. They come with a little spoon. Another passing. It's got a Paw Patrol puppy on there. Don't know her name. It's just cute. Got some of this Diaper Rush cream. Some disposable baby bibs. Some diaper disposable bags. One of these brush buddies. It's a finger toothbrush. These are awesome. I had one of these with Connor. I loved it. Hello, I'm new here. And that's a bib. How cute is that? And here's the ribbon I got. And I got one of these clear basket bag sets. You get 2 in there. So that's clear, and I was gonna do purple bow, but honestly a lot of the stuff is pink too, so I went with this. I thought it was perfect for the baby shower. You get 3 curly bows. Yeah, so beautiful. And that's all for the haul. I'm going to insert some pictures of the basket finished. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the haul. Don't forget to check the description box for additional Dollar Tree links. Subscribe and ring the bell if you haven't already.